Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made Avery walk. So when you go to your sprite selections, you may notice that when you hover over some of them, they actually appear to be moving. And if they can do this, it means that when you click on them and you go to costumes, that there's a number of costumes or a number of appearances that this sprite has. And for Avery, each one, when played in quick succession, appears as if she's walking. So what you really want to do is simply code Avery so that she stays on each one for a very short period before she moves to the next one and the next one and the next one, and then she starts all over again and repeats it over and over. So what we're going to do is go to code, and I'm going to start a new project, file, new, and I'll call it Avery walking. Okay, and I'll pick my sprite. I'll pick Avery because she has a number of costumes that I can go through. I'll get rid of the cat. Okay, so as always, we start with an event. So when we click the green flag, we want to forever. So we want her to do this over and over again. We want her to wait on each costume for a short period, say 0.2 of a second, before we move to the next costume. So to find that, we go to looks and we simply click on next costume. So let's have a look and see if it works. Yes, it does. Okay, and I wonder what would happen if I made it even faster. So maybe 1.1. Let's have a look. There you go, she's walking even faster. So give this a go. It might look particularly good on a scrolling background. Yeah, and try a different sprite and have fun with it. Good luck. Bye.